Parachute deploy.
Parachute.
Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on chute. We are decelerating.
Wrist mode under
our 10 kilometers
parachute
decelerated
are 20
and
to
descending.
30
We are at
degrees
150 meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Wrist mode is nominal.
Dynamics phase.
We are at 100. Thrusters have been
Balance.
deploy. Reminder. Parachute. Fly right. And parachute deploy. Vehicles continuing to decelerate. We're down to about Mach 2. As a reminder, we should have parachute deploy around Mach 1.7. We're at 15 kilometers altitude.
We've begun entry balance mass jettison. The predicted mid
Stand by for
distance
parachute deploy.
downrange is 1.597 kilometers.
EDL ops, Odyssey systems on EDL ops.
Parachute deploy.
Parachute.
Thrusters have been re-enabled. We will control our attitude on chute. We are decelerating.
Wrist mode under
Our 10 kilometers
parachute
decelerated
are 20
and
to
descending.
30
We are at
degrees
150 meters per second.
Dynamics phase. Come back again with wrist mode dynamics.
Wrist mode is nominal.
We are 9 kilometers and
8
descending.
MLEs active.
Valid range.
Net filter converged with a velocity correction of 0.7 meters a second.
We've acquired the ground with the radar.
An altitude of 8 kilometers.
Speed chill has separated. We've found the ground.
Expand tones due to earth occultation as expected. We're
Standing by to prime the MLE engines in preparation for powered flight. We're down to 90 meters per second at an altitude of 6.5 kilometers and descending.
Flight EDL, we got some Tweedo warnings. It is
We
in battle
expect to
short
lose
mode, so it should power through them.
Direct to Earth communications at this time. We may have lost it already. We're down to 86 meters per second at an altitude of 4 kilometers and descending. We've lost tones from Earth at this time. This is expected. We're continuing on Odyssey telemetry.
Ground solution equals minus 10.8 meters, vertical velocity of minus 82.8 meters per second.
Start enabled, standing by for backshell separation.
Signal to Odyssey is still strong.
We are in powered flight. We're at an altitude of 1 kilometer and descending, about 70 meters per second.
Signal to Odyssey
Control
remains
air
Down to 50 meters per second. 500 meters in altitude. Standing by for sky crane.
Constant velocity accordion nominal. Altitude error 5.9 meters.
We found a nice flat place. We're coming in ready for sky crane. Down to 10 meters per second. 40 meters altitude. Sky crane has started. Descending at about 0.75 meters per second as expected. Expecting bridle cut shortly.
Signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Tango Delta nominal.
Yeah. EDL comm configuration.
Rim stable.
UHF telemetry.
Rim stable.
UHF is good.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our curiosity will take us.
Signal to
Flyaway should be
signal to
complete.
Odyssey.
Descent stage is at a safe distance. We are continuing to receive telemetry from Curiosity. We're safe.
Getting data from the surface of Mars.
ASCAM sequence is kicked off, waiting for images.
Heads up, folks. EDL ops, the signal to Odyssey remains strong.
Flight EDL images are starting to come down.
We're beginning to get
All right,
images
we got
from
images
Odyssey.
coming down, folks.
Stand by for images.
Seeing thumbnails coming down.
Odyssey data is still strong.
Odyssey data is very strong.
Odyssey's nice and high in the sky. At this time, we're standing by for images.
Thumbnails are complete.
Got thumbnails.
Full image complete. Full image complete.
It's the wheel. It's the wheel.
There we go. We can see a wheel image. We are wheels down on Mars.
This is actually adjusting
Oh my God.
We'll do a proper hug on the other side.
Keep watching, guys. Keep watching the screen. There's more stuff. Any minute now. No, 2:56.
Okay, okay. So here we are. We're going to start. Go ahead.
Okay.
So we have landed out at the time we thought we would, and we now have our first image.
We have our first image. This we've got is a 64 by 64 thumbnail. A rear has-cam image. You can see the shadow there. I'm not sure exactly which our orientation is of the vehicle, but we're looking through it. I think in just a few minutes we might get even a larger 256 frame pixel image of that same end. So we're looking at the shadow. See, the horizon is actually in the distance. You can't really tell that. So we're looking actually at the shadow of this late afternoon sun.
So these are the rear has-cam.
These are the rear has-cams.
And it does have a dust cover on it.
It does have a dust cover, but it's the dust. The cover is a problem. It's the fact there's dust in the air because we've just blown dust all over the place with our descent engines.
Fantastic. So there could be more.
There could be more. If we wait, we might get. Oh yes! This is the high res. This is the 256 by 256 image. This is a higher resolution. You're seeing dust particles on the window. You can see the horizon there in the background, and there is the wheel of the rover safely on the surface of Mars. I can't believe it. This is unbelievable. We might get another one of these, and if we're lucky, before Odyssey goes away, we'll get 2 more of these same images going the other side of the vehicle, and also probably dusty. This is amazing.
So that is one of Curiosity's rover wheels
exactly.
On the surface of Mars.
Yes. Whoa! Wow! Now we have another. There's another image coming down. This is a view looking the other direction. It's still being processed. You'll see it in just a second here. This is another thumbnail image.
Is that a shadow?
That's the shadow
of the rover.
Curiosity rover on the surface of Mars. Thank you.
Thank you.
The Odyssey transition is about to end. It's about to set below the peak of Mount Sharp very shortly. So this is about all the data we're going to get, but things look great.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you.